you guys, welcome back to my channel. The boys and myself just got home from Costco and we got so much stuff. And I don't think I've ever formally done a Costco haul for you guys, and I know I love watching those. So I just wanted to show you what we got. I'm gonna start with the cold stuff, put that all away, and then show you the rest of it. And if you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and we would love if you would consider subscribing, and let's just get right to it. Okay, so sorry about the kind of weird lighting. It's daylight savings now. It's actually 3:15 and it's almost considering to get dark, and which is irritating. It's we're an hour away from it to start getting dark. So anyways, let's just move on. Okay, so Dave's Killer Bread, my absolute favorite bread. Love it, love it. It doesn't taste like wheat bread to me. Anyways, it's the best stuff out there. My nephew that was I don't know, he didn't like the idea of the seeds, and then I had him try it. He's 8 and he loved it. So kid friendly, my kids love it. My kids will eat the crust, everything. Love that bread. And it's a way better price. It's $6 or $7 for 2 loaves, and it's $5 for a loaf anywhere else. Okay, I got this tostada salad kit. I think I'm either gonna do this for dinner one night and maybe add some chicken, or this will be a lunch for my husband. He asked me to get him some salads this time while I was there, so I grabbed that. Grabbed him some deodorant. We always get our deodorant at Costco, which is the best deal. Santa Fe salad for him. And then I got Greek yogurt for myself and for the boys for smoothies. Jackson eats yogurt all the time. I got chicken BLT salads for him. And then I got these Evol. I love the Evol brand, but these egg and green chili burritos are so good. They are, I think they're 10 Weight Watchers points, but so worth it, and they are so filling. I ate these so much in my pregnancy. Do you see, there's so much protein in them. They're really good for you. And then I got 2 things of almond milk. I'm gonna start trying to get Jackson drinking some almond milk, trying to lessen his formula, but they were $6.99, which they're normally $8.99, so I got 2 of them, and they don't expire for a while. So I thought, it takes Lincoln about a week to go through a half gallon, so he really doesn't drink a lot of milk anymore. And then I got this for both of the boys. You know, those days where you feel like you were on the go, or you just really don't feel like your kids ate a lot for that day? I thought I would try these. There's 8 grams of protein, and what kid doesn't like chocolate milk? Come to think of it, this is dairy, so I don't know if Lincoln's gonna tolerate that well, but I will try it. If not, I'll give it to Jackson, or I'll drink it myself. These I cannot rave about enough. I have been drinking these for years, and they actually are they give me so much energy, and it's all natural energy. It's B12. They were testing them, and I tried both of these flavors today. Let me see. My ultimate favorite, I can't talk today, is the orange cream, but I tried these 2 and they're actually really good. And the grapefruit is not, I don't like grapefruit, and it's a very, very mild taste, but these are so, they give me so much energy. So they're about $1 a tube, so $1 a day, which is way cheaper than coffee. So I just thought I'd give that a try again. And then I got blueberries for all of us, strawberries for all of us. These were $3, I think, for a giant one. These were, I think, $3.99. I'm gonna move those. And then I got these. My husband eats these, and also the boys both love them. Honestly, I probably give these to them once or twice a week. They're not chicken nugget obsessed kids, but it's nice to have them. And they're only $12 for this giant 5 pounds at Costco, and it's $7 for the small size anywhere else. So I can't pass that deal up whenever I go. Okay, so I have to show you guys this. I know this seems like a ridiculous amount, but it's cold and flu season, and it probably will take us a couple months to go through this. Never seen them at Costco, so I'm so excited. I want to get back into making them, but being realistic, I've only made it one time, and it is a little pricey to make. So, because you have to buy the Manuka honey. So honestly, I think that this is almost a better deal. But I am going to get back into making it, and I am going to film it. So stay tuned for that. Might be a little while though. Okay. And then I got eggs, nothing really to explain, but they're the best deal for organic free-range eggs at Costco. This is actually a better deal than their non-organic Costco brand, which I find weird, but they are the best deal for these when you buy the smaller ones, when you buy 12, a dozen, whatever. Okay, and these I'm really excited about to try with the boys. It has fresh zucchini and carrots in them, and they're apple cinnamon muffins. I think that they are going to seriously inhale these and love them. I'm really excited to try these. And then I got some pot roast, so I can make pot roast for dinner. Chicken tortilla soup. Josh loves this stuff. And then I got some cheese. Never have enough cheese. These may not be a necessity in some of your minds, but we are on the go so much, and I like to just grab one of these and walk out the door. They're cooked, peeled, everything, and I think this thing is like $7. But it's just really nice to have these because they're on plan with Weight Watchers and they count for 0 points. And then I got hot dogs. We don't really eat a lot of hot dogs, but we eat enough of them, and they're really pricey to buy a decent, like these are all beef. Anyway, what I'm getting at is to get like the Hebrew National or the Hebrew National, it's like $5 for like 5 hot dogs. So this is $12, I believe, a way better deal, and then I end up freezing some of them. I'm gonna put all this back and then move on to the dry stuff. Okay, so I wanted to come back to the elderberry for a second. A lot of people ask me how much I give the boys. An adult dose is 10 mLs, so I give them 5 daily. And then when they're sick, I give them 10. And also, it doesn't say on this bottle, and to be completely honest, like this isn't the cleanest, best brand, but it can get pretty pricey, so this is what we're working with. And again, like I said, even to make it, Manuka honey is very pricey. So anyways, I give them 5 mLs daily and then 10 mLs when they're sick, and I do feel like this helps tremendously with keeping them from getting sick, and it's just like so good for them in general. And if you are interested in like I give them a few supplements, so if you're interested in a video on that, I am very happy to make that. And then also if you want to know what I give them like when they're sick and whatnot, let me know. Also, I want to mention I'm not a doctor. Check with your doctor on anything that you want to give to your children. I always buy my vinegar at Costco. This 2 gallons is $4.99, so $2 a gallon. I use it for everything. Like, I clean our humidifiers with it. I put it in the dishwasher. I use it to clean, like so many things. I use it to cook. Like, not a lot of things I cook call for vinegar, but this isn't like you can use it to cook with. But anyways, this is the best deal. I buy this probably every, I don't know, 3 or 4 months, this 2 gallon thing. And then I got these super cute PJs. These were $10 a piece, which I thought was a really good deal. That's $5 per sleeper, which I feel like most other places for like the Carter's brand. This is Absorba brand, which I've never got before. But I don't know, they're like $7, $8, $9 per sleeper normally. So I thought that was a good deal. I always get their sleepers at either Costco or like Savers or like Goodwill or wherever, because they're super expensive. They just are, just for them to sleep in. And then this stuff, you guys, this stuff is addicting, and I probably shouldn't have gotten it because I'm probably going to eat it all like today. But it's so, so, so good. You have to try it. It is, I believe it's 3 Weight Watchers points per ounce, and there's 14 ounces in here, so I'll have like an ounce a day or whatever, whenever I feel like having it. And I actually do measure everything out that I eat, so unless I'm on the go, I try to guess, but again, I measure everything. And a lot of people say like they don't have time for that or whatever, but you either want it or you don't. You want to lose weight and be healthy, or you don't. And I've made that choice to measure everything. I got a watermelon, surprised that they still had them. We'll see what this is going to taste like. I'm going to leave it out for a few days. I'm going to actually cut the one I have on my counter, my other one I have, eat that for the next couple days, and then cut this one probably within like a week. I just feel like they taste better that way when you let them sit a while. And then I tried this salsa probably like a year ago, and it was all right, but I feel like I'm buying so much salsa lately. I'm just like wanting chips and salsa all the time. It's just such a satisfying snack for me. I love the chips and salsa, so I thought I would try this one again. I just haven't found a salsa that I love lately, and I know I could just make it, but I'm just not that good. And then I got my Premier Protein. I love this stuff. It's the best even when you're like starving and you're waiting on like making dinner, going out to dinner, whatever you're in between meals, like after workout, whatever. Love this stuff. Costco is by far the best price. It's $20 for an 18 pack, and it's about $7.50 for a 4-pack anywhere else. So Costco's the best price for that. Some people don't like it, but it's not like the best. It's not chocolate milk, but it tastes really good for what you're getting in this. And 30 grams of protein, like, you cannot beat that. So anyways, that's my little Costco haul. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.